Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to add or transfer money on CoinDCX. Adding funds to your CoinDCX wallet via quick bank transfer is simple and secure. Just follow this simple step guide to complete your transfer using RTGS or NEFT. Firstly, log into your CoinDCX account and click on the Add Funds and enter the amount you want to deposit. Click on Select Payment Method and choose Quick Bank Transfer. Just note that UPI and IMPS transfers are not available for this method. CoinDX will provide you with the unique bank details for your transaction. Open your banking app and go to the Add Beneficiary section. Enter your CoinDCX provided details, then save them. Now, once the beneficiary is added, initiate a fund transfer via RTGS or NEFT. Make sure you transfer funds from your CoinDCX registered bank account. Wait for the funds to reflect in your CoinDCX wallet. For RTGS, it will arrive within 15 to 30 minutes and EFT within 60 minutes to 24 hours depending on the bank processing time. Once the transfer is successful, check your CoinDCX wallet balance for the updated amount. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.